is lesson 5-4, strange lines, vertical and horizontal. So some review from some middle school math. What does it mean for lines to be parallel? Parallel lines are lines that will never intersect or touch. If you think of an example in real life, think about railroad tracks and how the tracks, the one side will never intersect with the other. So some equations for you to memorize. When you have the equation of a vertical line, it's going to be x equals a, and a can be any number whatsoever. If it's a horizontal line, the equation of the line will be y equals a, where again, a can be any number whatsoever. Your procedure for graphing these strange lines is to determine if the line is going to be vertical or horizontal by its equation. Next, locate the number on the appropriate axis, whether it's the x-axis or the y-axis. Next, draw the vertical or the horizontal line. Be sure to follow all your normal graphing procedures, such as labeling the correct line. Here's a guided example for you. Let's graph the equation y equals 4. Because it's a y equals line, we know that this line is going to be horizontal. In other words, the line will move from left to right. I'll be on the y-axis and I'll find the number 4, as I have at this point here. I'm now going to draw a horizontal line at 4 all the way across, and making sure that I have arrowheads on both sides, and that I'm labeling my line after it's graphed. Here's an example for you to try. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try it on your own. The equation x equals 5 suggests this line will be a vertical line. We want to find 5 on the x-axis, which is right here as I put the point on the graph. Vertical lines go up and down. So I'll be doing a vertical line at x equals 5, making sure I go edge to edge on the graph, arrowheads on both sides, with a label on the line. Second example for you. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try it on your own. Y equals 1/4 suggests that this will be a horizontal line. 1/4 is between 0 and 1, and it's a little bit closer to 0. My guesstimate will be that it will be right about there. I'll draw my horizontal line all the way through. Again, please make sure you're using a straight edge, arrowheads on the end of each line, and labeling the line. If you're having any issues on any portion of this lesson, please make sure you are emailing me or consulting me in class.